Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be unboxing sneakers. I'm going to be unboxing a Gorillapod 3K by Joby tripod. No, a Gorillapod tripod for the camera. This is a gift for myself for Christmas and towards the channel. Hopefully making better content, blah blah. And I hope you're noticing that the audio is a little bit better. I'm using a new mic, the Purple Panda mic. I've ordered it off Amazon along with my new tripod. It will shortly get onto unboxing. Right, let's get into it. There's the box. I've noticed that I went to, how was it, PC World. I think they were about £100, I think, which is expensive. This was on offer on Amazon and I think it still is with next day delivery. So, Merry Christmas to me. Right, let's open it. We've got a seal. I'm going to open this, cut that. Beautiful. Pop that out. Right. Instructions. I believe this is probably how to use the tripod. Oh no, tripod ball mount, I think, yeah. Gives you a few how to use them. Top bit, how to put on your camera, etc, etc. I don't think I'll be looking at that again. Right, don't know what that is. Must have just sealed the top. Right, there she is. Oh, definitely some weight to it. Well, significantly different compared to my £2 one from Wish. Yeah, already it's very, very thick. I like the handle in it. I believe these come out. Yep. Sweet. See what it feels like on the desk. And you can hear that it's not going anywhere. You can tell it's sturdy. A level, I don't know if I'll be using that. It might come in handy with the desk videos, just to know that I'm level recording. You know, I've never noticed that my videos are off slant, but there could be the odd occasion where I'm like that, but thinking I'm straight, you know. Believe this undoes the ball joint. Yep. Ball joint, or whatever you want to call it. Why won't that focus in? Focus. 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 Ah, here we go. I'll tighten this back up. It's very easy to tighten and loosen as well, which I like that. It becomes very solid. On my one that I'm using now, you tighten it up as much as you can and it still moves, the camera doesn't feel secure. I'm hoping the thread to the camera will be okay. Sometimes they can come unloose quite easily. I believe I could take that joint off with underneath, I believe. I don't know if you push it or unscrew it. But this ball joint will definitely come in handy at some point. It just feels so good in the hand. Just 1 minute.
What?
1 minute, I'm about to finish the video.
What video?
The video that I'm recording. unboxing this with my new mic. I would definitely be using this for vlogs. It does seem very not going nowhere unless someone takes it. It's very, very strong. I didn't know if there was the option to have the black and the white, but I believe the black and like a bluey grey looks a lot better. I don't know if you can get colour options either, but meh. That is the unboxing of the Gorillapod 3K kit. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you like the new audio on this mic. Let me know in the comments. There should hopefully be some new videos around Christmas, vlogging, maybe some unboxings if I pick up any shoes, but we'll have to see. So until then, take it easy guys.